Woman and teenager killed in crash while taking gunshot victim to hospital. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A woman and a teenage girl were killed when the vehicle they were using to transport a gunshot victim to the hospital crashed on the Hanover Main Road in Whithorn, Westmoreland. They are 29-year-old telephone operator Vanessa Spence and 16-year-old Brenda Simmet, both of Garden Grove District, Rumble in Hanover. The police state that at around 11:24 p.m. on Wednesday, Spence and Simmet were patrons at a party in Rumble, Hanover, along with 26-year-old Aldre Ricketts of Oxenodge, when explosions were heard and it was discovered that Ricketts was shot. Spence was driving Ricketts to the hospital in her Toyota Axia motor car when it collided with a Ford F800 truck. Spence, Ricketts, and Simmet were trapped inside the motor car and had to be extricated by members of the Westmoreland Fire Department. They were transported to the hospital where Spence and Simmet were pronounced dead and Ricketts died while undergoing treatment. An unfortunate and deadly turn of events as a woman and a teenager attempting to save the life of a man who was shot at an event in Rumble, Hanover, met their demise in a motor vehicle collision in Westmoreland on Wednesday, March 2, 2022. This has been Links 007 TV. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you're always updated with our latest news item.